this is Tom Salemi from Device Talks, and I'm bringing you a 2-minute MDO webinar announcement. On Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, May 12th at 2 p.m., Medical Designer Outsourcing will be hosting an all-new webinar on wearable device testing. This is an important topic, and we're bringing in leaders from Ikonix USA. So all will be sponsored by Whale Tech. We'll have business development specialist Mike Berzins. We'll have application engineer Bishan Patel. They'll provide a high-level overview of PPG and ECG performance testing for verification, validation, and production testing. They'll talk about simulating heart rate and other body measures. You'll also learn about the most advanced reflective transmissive PPG tester available on the market. You can register for free to attend this webinar through the link in the comments section down below. As always, go to Medical Design and Outsourcing for great breaking stories, analysis, podcasts, and access to webinars, all on the medical design and outsourcing industry. And join us again on this webinar, May 12th at 2 p.m. Once again, you can register in the link below. This has been your MDO 2-minute webinar update. Looking forward to having you join us on the webinar.